Space is supposed to be silent. No air, no sound. So explain this. Why has NASA recorded signals that sound like something is alive out there? Today, we're ranking the scariest sounds in space. Real recordings, no edits, no fake effects, just space, translated into sound. Let's see how bad it really gets. First, the Helix Nebula, a dying star. Listen carefully. Nah, short pause. That's not normal. That sounds like screaming. I don't care what scientists say. That's an 8 out of 10. Next, Earth from space. Sound like birds. Short pause, but it's lightning. Converted into radio waves. Strange, but not scary. 3 out of 10. Now, pulsars. Dead stars. Spinning at impossible speed. That's a heartbeat. Tell me that's not a heartbeat. A dead star. Still beating? 7 out of 10. This is Saturn. Why does it feel like something is watching you? Like you're not supposed to be there. 6 out of 10. Now listen carefully. This is Jupiter. No. Short pause. No way. That planet sounds haunted. If I hear this in real life, I'm gone. 9 out of 10. And now, the black hole. This one is different. It doesn't sound like noise. It sounds like voices, like something is trying to speak, and we just don't understand it. 10 out of 10. Finally, deep space. Far beyond anything we know. That's not empty. That's not silence. That's something. Waiting. Here's the truth. These aren't sounds. They're signals. Vibrations. Data. But when we convert them, they don't feel random. They feel intentional. So the real question is, are we just listening? Or is something out there trying to be heard? Which one was the scariest? And be honest, did any of them sound alive?